Have you ever felt embarrassed to take your shoes off in public because of fungus, yellow nails, or brittle toenails? I've been through that, and it was a nightmare. Today I'm going to share how I turned things around with a simple oil that changed everything. But before that, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with me until the end. This might be exactly what you've been looking for. For me, it started with an annoying itch between my toes, then my big toenail, yellow, thick, and starting to peel. I tried everything, creams, sprays, even oral medication, but nothing really worked. And the worst part was the embarrassment. Avoiding taking off my shoes in front of others, skipping the beach, the pool. I even felt dirty, even though I was being super careful. I started to think it was something I'd have to live with for the rest of my life. Until one day, while browsing the internet, I saw an ad for Kerassentials, an oil made with natural ingredients like lavender oil, tea tree oil, and aloe vera, all known for their antifungal and soothing properties. I'll admit, I was skeptical. I thought, just another miracle product? But what caught my attention was that it's natural, used externally, and comes with a money-back guarantee. So I decided to give it a shot. Kerassentials is different because it fights the fungus at the root, hydrates the surrounding skin, strengthens the nail, and even prevents future infections. It contains tea tree oil, which has powerful antifungal properties, lavender, lemongrass oil, and organic flaxseed oil that help cleanse and reduce inflammation. It also has vitamin E and almond oil, which help regenerate the skin and nail. The best part? You just apply a drop and spread it with the brush twice a day. It's practical, mess-free, and doesn't have a strong smell. In the first few weeks, I felt immediate relief from the itching and odor. The nails started growing in clearer and thinner. After about a month and a half, I could trim the nail normally. It was firm, healthy, and looked brand new. Today, after 3 months, I wear sandals confidently, go to the beach, and no one can believe what my nails looked like before.
I've seen many stories from people going through the same transformation, and that gave me even more confidence. It's one of the few products that truly made a difference in my life.
A lot of people ask me, does it really work? Yes, it works, but you need to use it daily. It's a continuous treatment. Any side effects? None. It's 100% natural. But it's always a good idea to test it first if you have sensitive skin. How long until you see results? I started seeing real improvement after the second week. Ideally, you should use it for at least 2 to 3 months. Is there a guarantee? Yes. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work, you can get a full refund. And the best part? If you choose a kit with more bottles, the price per unit becomes much cheaper. If you're tired of hiding your feet and want to solve this for good, without harsh medications, Kerassentials might be the solution you've been looking for.
I've left the official link in the description. That's where I bought it and got the guarantee. But be careful. There are fake websites out there.
Only buy through the link below, okay? Take advantage of the progressive discount on the kits and free shipping in some cases. I'm not sure how long that will last. Oh, and if this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you've been through something similar or still have any questions. Share this with someone who's dealing with nail fungus or damaged nails. It might be the help they need.